It is the 9th of October, 2025. This is WIKISPEED Standup. You ready, Lauren?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, past week, I was kind of doing housekeeping stuff to do with the Zoom, and then our other members at a inventors meeting right now. So yeah, we got together and set up a different Zoom account so that we can both access.
Mhm.
Uh, uh, Beyond that, I thought of some new applications the uh for the Little Red Wagon. If I can, I'm sure I wrote them down somewhere. There's a couple of places I record things too, but I don't have them at hand, so I might be able to talk about it at Crosstalk or not. Uh, Coming week, well, right now actually, while we're talking, I'm going to be working on. I just brought up the computer that I've upgraded to 20.04. It's asking me to upgrade to 2204, which I'll probably do, but first I want to see if 20 will work. Uh, no, I'm on 22, I think. Anyway, I'll talk about that later. And blocks are been out of. I've been busy with various things. The Go, the board game, has taken off here. One of the four Go players put a notice up on Facebook, and now we've had up to 10 people, I think, coming to play Go every Wednesday at the golf club. So
Remind me, I think six can play on one board.
no, it's just two. So
Just
it's
two?
more like
Oh,
like last night there was three games going on at once.
okay.
And but nothing yeah, actually I'm kind of getting some progress in my workspace. So I think I've removed more blocks than I've got new ones, and that's it for me.
Okay. It's Michael Olchek, Saskatoon, Canada. Not much to report for this week. Uh, as Lauren had mentioned, we talked about um, setting up a new account for doing Zoom so that we can both access it. And Lauren doesn't have to be there in order to let people in. We also talked about moving the meeting to Wednesday, but we wanted to get David's input on that, and he's not in today. So, are we going to try and maybe send an email, I guess?
I think yeah, that's a decision to make in crosstalk whether we wait
Hmm.
another week altogether, which I think might be a good idea. I don't want to put stuff off, but I'm pretty sure we'll get this done because it's a nuisance every time. So,
Right.
yeah,
Okay.
so that's one option.
And that's it for me for progress. For next week, I don't see getting anything done. It's getting cooler outside, and my wife's to-do list of yard stuff is pretty pressing. So probably won't get much done. But I'm around if you want to bounce ideas off. And blocks are wife's to-do list, and we are trying to get some work done up at the cabin. And contractors are really hard to convince to get stuff done. They show up when they feel like it seems, and work for an indeterminate amount of time, and then disappear for whenever. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense to me. Anyway, that's it for me.
Okay, I'll give myself a 6 and the team a 7. And process improvement is just to yeah, actually then next time, or maybe I'll just add it right now. I want to be a little more ambitious with my coming week, which is just to test the new chip and do something with Docker. I'm adding that.
Okay.
And back to you.
Well, I'm going to give myself a 3 because I didn't do anything, but I was actually not really planning on doing anything because I knew I wasn't going to be able to. So, 7. I think you deserve 8 from the team. And process improvement, not really anything. We need to get a little bit more. We need to get onboarding done, but that's a task, not a process improvement, I think. Anyway.
I think onboarding is a process improvement.
Okay. Oh, I have a call. Give me a second.
Sorry, what was that?
Sorry about that. Like I mentioned, it's hard to get contractors to do something when they call you answer.
Okay. Yeah. So,
So you have any crosstalk you want to record, or just shut it
nope.
down now?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I should have probably hit stop much before this then.